We are at the Surat Municipal Corporation in what's been set up as the war room to respond to the COVID battle here on the ground. Now remember, Gujarat's first confirmed case of the coronavirus actually was here in Surat. And Surat is one place which has really used technology, in particular technology and artificial intelligence along with community responses in building a response, an effective response to the coronavirus. And at this war room of the Surat Municipal Corporation, we're going to get a sense of how the local administration here is really handling this crisis. Remember, Gujarat's first confirmed case over here in Surat, and we'll be meeting key officials. We have here the mayor, we have the Gujarat government's nodal officer here, and behind that screen, very busy, and we'll get him out also. You can see there behind the screen Surat's municipal commissioner, and as soon as he's out, done with that phone call, we'll get him here. Remember, we're in the war room of the Surat Municipal Corporation, and we're looking at this very interesting use of technology in particular. Now, I'll start with you, Jagdish ji, Mayor of Surat. 5,000 लोग बाहर से आए थे फ्रॉम 97 कंट्रीज, और ये भी एक चैलेंज रहा था. तो हाउ डिड यू डील विद दिस, और आपका एक मेन फोकस शुरू में क्या रहा?
सबसे पहले तो ये हुआ कि सबके लिए एक टोल फ्री नंबर डिक्लेयर किया कि जो भी बाहर से आए हैं वो इन्फॉर्म करे, और टेक्नोलॉजी के सपोर्ट से इसकी एक स्पेशल जो ऐप थी उसमें उसका लोकेशन दे दिया गया. उसको इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि आप अभी अपने क्वारंटाइन में रहिए. अगर वो बाहर जाते तो 10-15 मीटर भी अपने घर से दूर निकलते तो तुरंत ही ऐप के द्वारा हम उसको डिफाइन कर सकते थे. दूसरा, सोसाइटी के प्रेसिडेंट और ये सारे जो होते हैं उनको इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि अगर आपकी सोसाइटी में ये क्वारंटाइन में है, वो अगर बाहर निकले तो तुरंत ही हमें इन्फॉर्म कीजिए. उसके घर पर एक स्टिकर लगाया गया है ताकि सारे लोगों को पता चले कि इसमें कोई क्वारंटाइन है. और
जहाँ तक मुझे समझ आई है, in fact, Surat was the first place to use technology and to develop such an app. And you can see everywhere here in this war room how the zoning is being done, how the clusters are being identified. In fact, behind me, you can see the Surat Municipal Corporation and the regular slides. The municipal commissioner is also here. So, if I can request you to just come this side. We were talking to the mayor about the use of technology and how Surat was the first to develop an app. Can you tell us a little bit about this app?
This SMC COVID-19 tracker application is one of its kind, and it was immediately developed in 48 hours. The main features of this application are twofold. One is to contain the person in home quarantine so that if he moves out of the home, then immediately we get to know by georeferencing. And second is his health conditions. All the symptoms are to be filled by him in the morning as well as in the evening by the health report. And he has to give a photograph, a selfie, along with his medical report so that we know what kind of a situation is this. So we continuously monitored all these people who came from foreign in this SMC COVID.
5,000 people from 97 countries.
Yes, more than 97 countries and more than 5,000 people were monitored. Now this application is being used for all the home quarantine people who are now in the city, as well as now in the future also those who are asymptomatic and positive cases, they can also be monitored through this application.
So I want to understand a little bit more on the use of technology, but sir, as the nodal officer, Gujarat में एक mortality rate थोड़ी high रही है बाकी शहरों में, अहमदाबाद में. What is the main challenge you are facing here on the ground, because Surat is also a major migrant workers hub?
उसमें ऐसा होता है कि कभी-कभी लोग जल्दी प्राइमरी स्टेज पे बाहर नहीं आते, लेकिन कमिश्नर साहब ने जैसे आपको ब्रीफ किया, हम लोग ARI केस घर जा के कंटेनमेंट एरिया में से ढूंढ लेते हैं. हमारा जो वॉर रूम है वहाँ से भी हम लोग करते हैं, जेमिनी सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू भी हम करते हैं, और प्राइवेट डॉक्टर्स जो हैं उनके माध्यम से.
अच्छा, बहुत बाकी शहरों में, क्योंकि मैं तो अब 8 स्टेट्स में जा चुकी हूँ, 50 और दिन मुझे हो गए हैं, बहुत बाकी स्टेट्स में प्राइवेट क्लिनिक्स काम ही नहीं कर रहे. व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन?
नहीं, यहाँ पे हमारा जो मेडिकल एसोसिएशन है IMA, उसका बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट रहा है, और हमारे प्राइवेट क्लिनिक्स चालू हैं, उन लोगों को भी हम लोग गाइडेंस देते हैं, सपोर्ट करते हैं, और वो लोग हमको भी सपोर्ट करते हैं.
So I just request all of you to walk us through this place if we can, because we just want to give you a sense of technology. COVID is a battle, and you have to use instruments of modern warfare. Instruments of modern warfare basically means technology, artificial intelligence, and using all of this. And as we just heard, Surat was one of the first cities in the country to actually deploy technology. Now, let me ask you, how has technology helped you, and what was your focus? We're standing in what you call the war room. What has technology done for you in this?
See, technology is very important in this COVID war, because when the contagion is there, we have to maintain social distance. Now, in order to maintain social distance and not to, door-to-door surveillance is important. But along with that, what is very, very important is the people have to be, monitored through this application also. We have seen that we have started with a triple T IQ strategy. That is tracking through the SMC COVID application, more and more number of testing, that is testing and treatment, triple T and IQ. Once the tracking is done, then you have to isolate them and quarantine them in their specific places, whether it is a home quarantine, whether it is a cluster quarantine, and whether it is a bigger quarantine area. So basically, technology helps us in identifying early identification of cases. Early identification means early clusterization, and early cluster containment, so that the public health itself is being the critical stage in COVID fight, and the public health is being managed through these COVID applications.
So you can see all of these slides on your screen at the Smart City Center. Jagdish ji, one of the interesting things is कि आप भी एक doctor हैं. You're actually a doctor, and you've been at the front line of this battle. And one of the interesting things I noticed was that a multi-level parking space has actually been converted into a COVID hospital or an isolation center if you should need it. अभी तक उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं हुई. पहले तो अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, that as a doctor, this must be a double duty for you.
See, हमें किसी भी सिचुएशन के लिए रेडी तो रहना चाहिए. इसके मुताबिक हमने हमारे स्मीमेर हॉस्पिटल के कैंपस में एक मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग रेडी था, जो कि मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग की तरह भी यूज.
एरिया वाज आई थिंक 2 लाख स्क्वायर फीट.
2 लाख स्क्वायर फीट. तो उसको कन्वर्ट किया गया डेडिकेटेड कोविड हेल्थ सेंटर के तौर पर, और उसकी सारे नॉर्म्स के साथ हमने वो रेडी रखा है. कभी भी उसको अगर यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत पड़े तो ये हो सकता है. दूसरा, इम्यूनिटी बूस्टअप के लिए आयुष मंत्रालय ने जो भी सजेस्ट किया था, उस मार्ग पर हम लोग आगे बढ़े. तो अभी तक कई सारे लोगों को, कई सारे घरों को हमने ये होम्योपैथी और आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन है वो प्रोवाइड की. और आपको ये शायद सुनने में मज़ा आएगा कि इसके बहुत सारे रिजल्ट अच्छे हमने देखे भी है. और
as preventive, not therapeutic, of course. मतलब ये preventive
immunity boost up.
Immunity building. अच्छा, one other thing is funerals and cremations are a very sensitive topic right now. We've seen in other cities also, families are even scared to claim bodies. जैसे मुंबई में हमने देखा है ना, hospital bodies were lying, वो प्लास्टिक की शीट पे स्ट्रेचर पे पड़ी है क्योंकि कोई लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं. इंदौर में हमने देखा mortuary workers right now are playing a big role. What is the role of the municipal corporation in the last rites?
Municipal corporation's role is very critical in the sense because when the death take place, it has to be given the proper respect that the dead body needs, and because of that we are treating dead bodies with complete respect. We call the family members, and they also are provided with vehicular facilities. Along with the dead body, the family members also go in one of the vehicles, and along with that, disinfection starts from the hospital itself to the cremation and burial grounds. Interestingly, we have cremation and burial grounds. We have some of the in and around people also stay. They sometimes object, but because the municipal corporation disinfects and sanitizes the entire area before and after, so they are very, very happy about it. And some of the volunteers in the cremation and burial grounds like Ekta Trust are doing a commendable service in this entire exercise of mortuary and burial grounds.
But with volunteers, the municipal corporation is taking the responsibility for both funerals and burials.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, just a last thought, sir. Migrant workers hub. यहाँ मतलब I think estimated between 12 to 15 lakh migrant workers from all of India. खाना बांटने में भी अलग-अलग लोगों की requirements होती हैं. तो how are you handling?
हाँ, तो हमारे यहाँ टोटल 12 राज्य से करीबन 15 लाख जैसे माइग्रेंट लेबर है। उनमें से हम लोग म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन ने लीड ली। उन्होंने एनजीओ फिर अपनी इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन सबको इकट्ठा करके हम लोग आज 7 से 8 लाख लोगों को पकाया हुआ खाना खिलाते हैं। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात ने हर एक व्यक्ति को राशन की किट भी दी है। जब माइग्रेंट लेबर को अपने स्टेटों में जाने के लिए शुरुआत की तो आज मुझे खुशी है कि आज के ही दिन यूपी के लिए हम 12 ट्रेन रवाना करने वाले हैं आज ही के दिन, और उड़ीसा के लिए एक बिहार के लिए। तो खाने का प्रबंध, उनका हर तरह से मेडिकल का प्रबंध और आने जाने का सब कुछ हम लोग देख रहे हैं।
One last thought. What has Surat done differently that you think maybe others could take a leaf from?
I think Surat, from the very beginning, Surat with its experience of the plague handling of
I was just going to ask you that this is a city that has seen a pandemic before.
Yes. So there is a dedicated team, there is immense commitment, and from down below, the Safai Karmachari to Honorable Mayor, everyone is committed and on the same page. We knew how this coordinated approach has to be taken.
Give me one specific thing that Surat has done. I know you spoke of technology.
SMC COVID-19 tracker application, Gemini software, disinfection and sanitization strategy, converting a multi-level parking into one of the biggest wards, isolation COVID wards of South Gujarat. These are some of the innovative things that Surat has done.
One, you were talking to me earlier about how vegetable vendors, small things which touch people's daily lives, vegetable vendors were found to be potential virus spreaders. तो आपने क्या किया कि लोगों को सब्जियां भी मिल पाए लेकिन वायरस ना स्प्रेड?
Vegetable vendors, 27 vegetable vendors are found to be super spreaders, and we have isolated them. And after isolating them, all other people are allowed to, give vegetable. In the APMC, which is a the farmers come from faraway places. There also, what we have done after 4 days, we are ensuring that only trucks would go. So the people, that social distancing can be followed. Once the truck goes, so there will be decentralized system of distribution of vegetables. So that will ensure that social distancing is also ensured, and also people can get vegetables.
So these are the key officials who are managing Surat's response. Surat is a smart city. We are at the Smart City Center. We are at what is known as Surat's war room. Remember, this is a city that has dealt with the plague in the past. It has some experience of dealing with pandemics, but a lot has changed. And if we are going to call these frontline responders, the first responders, COVID warriors, then we also have to remember that in this modern war, you have to use modern instruments of battle, and a lot of that involves technology.